On Friday, March the 10th, the US will release its jobs report for February. Now, in the Federal Reserve's thinking, a tight, that is a strong labour market, is inflationary. So if the jobs print comes in above 325,000 and the average hourly earnings come in above 4.8%, then the Fed will see that as signalling more work to be done on inflation, and it will raise expectations for a terminal rate to be over 6%. At the moment, short-term interest rate markets see a Fed terminal rate of 5.65%, which is reflecting some of the hawkish commentary from Jerome Powell. However, the best opportunity for gold, the dollar, and stocks would likely come from a miss in the data. Now, if we just take a look here, and if we look for Friday, what we can see is the expectations are for a print coming in of 203,000. Now, if the headline print comes in below 100,000 and the average hourly earnings come in below 4.4% and the rest of the metrics are sort of disappointing or as expected, then that could give gold traders a good short-term opportunity potentially in buying gold. Now, look at the seasonal response to the US labour market report. You can see that with the event here, gold has a tendency over the last 10 years to gain out of the event. So if there was a very dovish print from the non-farm payroll, that would naturally support gold higher on the weaker dollar, weaker yields. Major trade risk. All outlooks have risk, and this is no difference. The major trade risk here, of course, if there was another strong jobs print, that would naturally support the US dollar, support yields, and would weigh on gold. And you can see here, gold's around this very key area of support. We've got the 100, 200 exponential moving average and the retest of that broken daily trend line. So we're sort of around this very important support area. Remember, HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyse over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.